Over 5 decades, we have diversified our offerings to people's vast needs, aiming for the true self-sufficiency in our country. We strive to establish an unrivaled global dominance in exports by nurturing our relationship with our stakeholders through practicing customer centricity, responsibility for our people and society, ensuring creativity and quality in designs, material and technology, fairness and safety for our people and planet. Today, we are the proud title holder of 13 business entities involving spinning, knitting, yarn dyeing, fabric manufacturing and dyeing, ready-made garments, printing, agriculture, and fisheries. Kareem Textiles Ltd is our legacy garmenting wing. This unit has evolved with time and adapted advanced technologies into its mechanisms. We have implemented modern machinery imported from well-known machinery brands to optimize every step of the process. This has boosted our productive capacity substantially. The integration of these state-of-the-art technology seeps into the cutting, sewing, and finishing sections, which are the primary segments of our manufacturing activities. Purbani Fashion Ltd. The factory incorporates all the modern features and is highly distinguishable. This new wing has been successful in simulating higher work efficiency while also ensuring increased safety for the workers. To feed our RMG and other sewing units of the country, Purbani is equipped with complementing facilities to ensure necessary supplies. Purbani Fabrics Ltd. is involved with producing finished fabrics to aid apparel manufacturing units. This unit specialized in producing 100% knit fabrics, fabric dyeing, and the manufacturing of finished fabrics. The premise has a vast collection of trailblazing equipment imported from Europe, which prepare the highest quality finished fabrics. Our yarn and fiber dyeing facilities extend to another unit, Purbani Yarn Dyeing Ltd. This wing addresses the requirements that arise from our various fabric production centers and other facilities across Bangladesh. Purbani's printing unit utilizes high-quality screen printing techniques for garment printing and employ Kate's high-end equipment, which ensures excellent output by efficiently facilitating the printing process. Sohagpur Textile Mills Ltd., a pioneering initiative of Purbani in the spinning sector, produces 70 TPD of a wide range of fancy yarn categories. It stands as the pioneer in Bangladesh for producing real melange yarn and other products, achieved with cutting-edge technology from world-renowned firms. To accommodate the yarn demands of the fabric manufacturing units, Kareem Spinning Mills Ltd. was established. It has been dutifully carrying its purpose through stellar performance. Purbani Rotor Spinning Ltd. is another yarn-producing unit that specializes in manufacturing open-end yarn for the denim, woven terry towel, and knit industry. This entity also facilitates a remarkable recycling process of deriving yarn from leftover materials. Purbani Synthetic Spinning Ltd. makes 100% cotton and cotton blends for the export-oriented garments and knitting industry.
Purbani has gone the extra mile to build our foundation all over the country. All the units work in perfect sync to sustain each other and provide stellar products with the help of the best modern technology. Our organization and its network of influence fill me with extraordinary delight. We export to many nations across the world, and reputed international brands work with us. I believe our resilience and pursuit of excellence will help us in our path towards sustainable growth. In the process of attaining sustainability, we are also making sure our true asset, our people, are well taken care of.
Our top priority is to prioritize the safety and well-being of our prime asset, our workers. We provide a comfortable and enjoyable work environment, ensuring compliance with current labor rights. we have successfully aligned our operations with the Green Initiative, ensuring a positive impact on the environment. Our factories are progressing towards adopting sustainable production technologies and attaining SDGs, which aligns with both the priority Sustainable Development Goals and national priority indicators. To ensure a clean future, we have implemented biological effluent treatment plants that adhere to ZDHC, DOE, detox, and other wastewater standards. Multiple projects across all Purbani units enhance manufacturing and disposal processes for maximum environmental protection. Purbani's cutting-edge laboratory offers a wide range of chemical and textile technology testing and results analysis for apparel manufacturers, brands, and retailers. Our upcoming Green Factory project entails a proposed LEED Platinum facility in Kaliakor, Gazipur, named Semi-Centennial Textiles Ltd. Semi-Centennial will be a low-carbon emitting facility on approximately 15 acres of land equipped with eco-friendly design and manufacturing processes.
Purbani started with a maiden venture as a trading company during early 70s that is now grown up as one of the textile group, spreading over its wings towards agro-farming, fishing, and also in financial sector, keeping its significant presence in the textile sectors of Bangladesh. The group has been groomed up by the customer-driven growth. Our success flows from customers' satisfactions. Our present and future expansion program is dominated in line with global climate change. Besides our commercial involvements, our presence are quite significant in various philanthropic activities in our society for last 50 years.
We have successfully accomplished the remarkable feat of generating an annual turnover exceeding $175 million. Eminent organizations worldwide have acknowledged and certified our commitments, bringing immense honor and pride as our values and continuous efforts are recognized by public welfare establishments.